All right, in this video, I'm going to explain to you how low is Bitcoin going to go. And right now, as I'm speaking to you, Bitcoin is rebouncing back. But if you go back from the top, we went quite a way down. And I'm going to just show you right now as it stands. From here all the way down, Bitcoin went down 23%. Now, what is interesting is that a week ago, I made a video warning, there's a risk we go back down to 30K. And I was one of the only person talking about this. And a lot of people said, oh, that's, this guy's a scam, blah, blah, blah. And now we're down to 40K. And the question is, are we going to go down to this 30K? So make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the notifications if you want to receiving these great tips on how to make money in Bitcoin. And I also made another video where I was a top 50 trader. Actually, I was number 63 worldwide out of 20,000 traders. And now in this channel, I teach people how to trade Bitcoin and make money. So make sure to subscribe and press like on the like button. Okay, so the algorithms show this video to more people. So let's go back into the graph. Now, one of the reasons that I was telling people that it's very possible that we go crashing is because I made this resistant line. And you can see the resistant line there if you look carefully, that we got rejected here. And then we got rejected here. And then it kind of broke through, but we harshly got rejected. And then we bounced again there. So I said this potentially can be a resistant line. And now, well, it is confirmed that it is. And now everybody's saying that it's possible this could be the local top, that this $65,000 could be the all-time high before we start going down in a bear market. So how low are we going to go? Are we going to go down to 29,000 all the way down here? Are we going to keep crashing going down? I'm going to talk about that in this video. Now, some people are saying that one of the reasons that Bitcoin crashed is because of China and this company called Evergrande. And it basically, what happened is that they couldn't pay back their billions and billions of dollars in loans. And basically, this has crashed the market in Asia. And I'm going to talk about that because this is affecting a worldwide phenomenon. And the question is, China going to save them, okay, or not? And so what is going to happen? Because let me share with you what happened to the markets. So this is the S&P 500. And we can see from here that basically what has happened is that the market opened and we broke the support line. If you look back here, we can see that for most part during this bull run since March of last year, the S&P 500 has been doing very, very well since the crash. If you go back all the way, right? This was the crash in March last year. And we had a long bull run from here. And then we started to build this support here, support there, support here, and support. It didn't quite touch like support there and support there. But for the first time yesterday, we opened below the support line and we went down and it went back up. So the question is, well, a lot of people are thinking that the traditional markets are going to crash. And it's very possible. And if they crash, they go down 10 or 20%. I built those lines here to potentially show you that if the market crashes, we could go all the way down. And the question is this going to affect Bitcoin? And the answer is definitely going to affect Bitcoin. The other thing I shared is this is the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin. And we shared a double top that this is all the altcoins. And we could see we had a big altcoin pump. And then we got rejected here at about $1.345 trillion. And then we got rejected again. We just recently went up and we had a big pump and now we've been rejected. And so I was talking about this could be a top. And that means that we have to be more careful in case that this is the top. We could probably raise this here a little bit higher, right? Like here, probably there. Okay. So anyway, we broke through that. And now we are in a downtrend for this altcoin. So how do we make money from this? And that's how I'm going to show you in this video how to make money. Well, the way that we make money is we want to buy the dip, okay? Every time we want to buy the dip. Yesterday, we went as low as 40,000. So I did buy the dip here. And the question is, are we going to go straight back up or are we going to come back down? Are we going to go down to 37? This is very possible. So my strategy is very basic. I buy the best altcoins on the dip. And my favorite three, I know because everybody's always asking me, well, what's your favorite altcoins, right? Out of all of them. And I'm just going to share with you which ones. It's going to be AVAX would be one, Sol, and Elrond. Those are my top three altcoins. And you can see today 11.9%, 7.12%, 17.5%. Okay, and if you compare that to Bitcoin, 0.84%. So obviously, you want to buy altcoins during the dip, but you want to be very careful using leverage. I do use leverage, but I do it very, very carefully. Now, I do believe now we might have reached a resistance zone. And if the markets go down, we're going to be testing back again this 40,000. So the way that I do it, the way we make money is we can put a line here. And let's say that it's very possible that what happens from here, right, is that we go back down. And by going down, I mean that we go and retest that level down here, right to that line. And then we're going to go back up. We might go like this, and we might go back and get rejected on this line again. And then we go back down 37 or even 29. So it's very possible that that happens. I don't think we're going to go straight down unless the markets crash, and my next buy would be 37,000, and I'm all in obviously at 29,000. This is the price where I put all my money in, okay, and I just write it up, and I'm gonna sell at this line and buy it again. It's gonna ride like that for a while. Okay, I do believe 29,000 is going to hold, so that would be the best place to make money, but I don't think it's gonna go straight down unless the markets crash. Okay, so you want to pay attention at the 40,000 buy level first, and you want to buy AVAX, Sol, Elrond. Those are my favorite ones, and you can see how well they're doing here. Okay, so does that make sense? Can you see how you can make money buying the dip? Because what's going to happen is this is going to go down, but it's going to go back up after. It's going to bounce for a while like this until it does something like that, right? So, and you're going to play these two levels here at the yellow line at the top. And that's how we make money, but we want to pay attention to what's going to happen in the traditional markets. Okay, like when we go to indicators, we want to pay attention to the S&P 500. Okay, when it opens, which is opening in a couple of hours from now, we want to see what's going to happen. Okay, let's take that to maybe 4 hours, and we want to see that is it going to continue down? Because if it continues down, then we may hit 37,000 faster than later. So that means I wouldn't buy the 40,000 if I see the traditional markets go down. If it goes halfway, then I'm okay to buying 40,000 because it may do like this, right? It may go down like that. So we can still make money as it goes down, okay? So as I said, this is really great opportunity to buy the dips. People want to know, like, how did you become the top 63 trader out of 20,000? And I'm going to tell you that the way I did it is by buying the dips. So if you like the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can be trading. And I use Bybit. You can open your Bybit account, and I made a Bybit video here how to trade with 5x or even 10x leverage if you're confident in the market. And you can get up to $600 bonus. All you got to go is to the description in this video. So if you go to the description, you'll see open a Bybit account here. Click this link, and this is my affiliate link. And by opening that, you get a $600 bonus free after you deposit. But here's the key. You have to deposit within 24 hours. And they have both a spot account and a futures account where you can use leverage, like 5x or 10x. And this is how I make a lot of money, by using Bybit. And this is the one that I was one of the top 63 trader worldwide out of 20,000 people. So if you want to trade with the same account as me, then open your Bybit account here. All right, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can keep getting these videos that show you how to make money on cryptocurrency. And I'll see you in the next video. Be well. Bye for now.